Welcome on the How To. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe for more free how to videos. So now let's go. How to make money online. Learning how to make money online is a very exciting thing to do, and if you want to earn extra income while working at home, there are lots of opportunities available out there for you to get involved with. You just need to know where to look to find the best ones, and in this article I'll be telling you the most effective ways to find online opportunities that will provide you with the income that you're looking for, while giving you more time to spend with your family, friends, and other interests. The first thing that you should look out for when looking for ways on how to make money online is the fact that it's not only a good opportunity, but it will also give you the most opportunities for growth possible. There are many opportunities out there, but you have to make sure that they are offering something in return for your work. If an online opportunity does not offer you any kind of compensation or benefits, then it's probably a good idea to avoid it. You don't want to be in a situation where you have to pay out some kind of money to take part, or worse yet, be required to pay a fee in order to join. This can be extremely frustrating, so if you aren't offered any form of incentive to join the company you're going to work for, don't even bother. To make money online, there are a lot of different opportunities out there, but if you want to be successful with them, all you need to do is choose the one that you feel the most comfortable with. There are a lot of options to choose from, but some of them are better than others. One example would be to affiliate marketing, because it requires you to make use of certain methods in order to make money through your website, but the results that you can get are very high. Another very good way on how to make money online is by selling your own products. By selling other people's products, you can get a nice commission off of each product, and you will be able to make a lot of money in a relatively short amount of time as well. There are a lot of other methods to get started with, but this is the most effective one out there. So when it comes down to it, if you want to be successful with the things that you do to make money online, it's very important that you pick the right opportunities that will give you the most rewards. For this reason, it's always a good idea to spend some time browsing around online, and checking out all of the various ways on how to make money online that are available, and find the one that you like the most. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more how to.